If you are going to succeed, you must understand that you need to be your own boss. Be your own boss. What is the meaning of being your own boss? You have to take this business as my own business. It is not our business. It is not the upline business. It is not the downline business. It is my own business. This is the concept of the business. If you are going to succeed in the business of Multistream Trademark Limited, you must see like the eagles. They see far, even when they are very far. They know the target audience. Be your own boss. Don't allow yourself to be chicken around. Don't allow the atmosphere, the situation, the economy to determine your income. Be your own boss. That is one of the concepts of Multistream. Then the second concept of Multistream is that you must apply the law of leverage. The law of leverage. What is the law of leverage? It is the principle of every great man and women that you can talk about. Everybody have 24 hours a day. But I tell you the truth, there are some people that have more hours than us because they've been able to buy other people's time. If you are working for Dangote, what Dangote is using as exchange is your time. That is why every great man, great woman, they understand the law of leverage. The law of leverage. What do you think can make a gigantic airline to take off? Something as big as house is because of leverage. So this is one of the principles of success in this business. If you are going to succeed, you must think leverage. You must act leverage. This is not the business that you depend on only your effort alone. Others' efforts are connected. Then the third concept of Multistream business is a helping business. It's a helping business. If you are not ready to help people, then this business is not for you. It's a part of sacrifice. If you are not good in letting go your gratification, this business is not for you. If you are going to succeed in Multistream, you must think of helping others.